Hello, we're gonna be doing an unboxing today. Something super special came in the mail. I'm sure from the title of this video you probably figured out what it is, but let's open it and see how the UGU seeds look like. I know a lot of you have been looking for the fluted pumpkin seeds. I found a source here in the USA. Quantities are super limited, so as soon as you see this video, if you're interested in getting UGU seeds, you're gonna contact the number that I'm gonna leave on the screen to get you some seeds. Kiddo, let's open this. I'm gonna be doing a grow along of the fluted pumpkin. That's what I have here. Let's open it. Okay. It's in this plastic bag here. The seeds are looking wet. So what I will do is I will go ahead and just rinse out the seeds. All right, guys, let's go ahead and just rinse out the seeds. I'll probably plant them tomorrow. So as you can see, the seeds look viable, you know, the seeds look good. There's no give, it's still very firm. This is fresh out of the pot, fresh seeds out of the pot almost. So guys, this is what we have. Now, you know that the UGU seed has this sheath, this outer covering. Some people say that it can inhibit germination. So I like to just peel it. You peel it, it reveals the clean seed. Just like that. So I'm just peeling that sheath, that outer covering, to facilitate germination.